So you'll lie on your back with your arms out by your sides, and we're gonna do the windshield wipers first. So you'll let your knees drop to one side, make sure your feet stay on the ground, and you only rotate as far as creates a comfortable pull or stretch, not pain. So for you, if that's to right here, that's fine. If that's further, that's also fine, but there's no need to push the end range. Then you're going to use your abs, pulling your belly button in toward your spine to pull your knees back to center before you go over to the opposite direction. So you'll hold for about 5 seconds, draw your belly button in, pull your abs back. And again, you're in control of how far you go before you pull back. And same thing to the other side. And then belly button to spine, curl your back, press it flat to the mat.